Now that the priority health issue has been identified, it is important to summarize the results of the community needs assessment. This is done by reviewing the methodology. Firstly, this involves the data collection instruments, which in this case encompassed both secondary and primary data. The secondary data was found from a variety of reputable sources, including the U.S. Census Bureau, the New Jersey Department of Health, the county health rankings and roadmaps, and so on. The primary data was found from taking structured interviews from 2 local health professionals with decades of experience working with the Trenton Health Department of Health, as well as a windshield survey conducted throughout the city of Trenton. Once the data were collected, it was time to begin the process for data analysis. When comparing demographic data, it was easy to see the disparities in both income and education for Trenton residents on local, state, and national levels. For the health profile, comparisons were also used, and it was found that obesity was at a much higher rate, as well as rates of uninsured residents. This can be seen detailed in the table to the right. Trend analysis was also used to see changes in mortality rates, which can be seen in the graph to the right. Mortality rates, as you can see, have decreased in the past 4 to 2 years. However, heart disease and cancer are still concerns, which are potential results of long-term obesity. Additionally, benchmarks were also used to analyze data. The child and adolescent obesity rates for Trenton, for instance, were much higher than the Healthy People 2020 results, 27.3% versus 16.9% respectively. Finally, it is also important to identify the populations at risk so as to target which groups are in most need. The results of this assessment showed that young children in this community are most affected by obesity compared to adults, especially among Hispanic and African American children, who we've already established comprise a majority of the population. Thank you for your time and have a great night.